everyone, it's me, Mrs. Gruner, and today we're talking about water. Water is amazing. We drink water, we clean with water, we need water to live. Water is so incredible. Water is really tiny, tiny molecules you can't see with your eyes. It's H2O, or two hydrogen atoms connected with an oxygen atom. If we draw the molecule, we can draw it in three different ways. You'll see the two hydrogen atoms connected to the oxygen atom. Most of the time, water has a somewhat triangular shape, so you see it drawn like this and this. Sometimes you'll even see the hydrogen atoms drawn right on to the oxygen atom, like that. It's pretty incredible. And did you know that the water that's sitting here in my cup is moving? What? Don't see that water moving? Well, you can't see it with your eyes, but those little oxygen molecules have bouncing energy. And right now, the tiny molecules we can't see with our eyes are moving all around in the cup, like this. Bing, boing, bing, 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 bing. They're moving in the cup. It is amazing. We're going to do an easy experiment today to find out how exactly those water molecules are moving around. It's going to be a lot of fun. This is what you need. It's not a lot. You need a clear cup. You need water. Just fill your cup partway with water. It doesn't need to be full. And it's actually better if it's about halfway full, because that way you don't spill. The last thing you need is either food coloring or an old marker, which I have here. Now, what are we going to do? First, we are going to observe. After we perform the experiment, we are going to be looking closely and thinking about what we see. Okay, let's see how to do this. You have food coloring. All you have to do is take this food coloring and add a couple of drops to the water. But if you don't have food coloring, find an old marker. It works just fine. And I'm going to take this old marker and pull out the inside. You might need a grown-up to help you with it. I'm going to add a tiny bit of water to this just to help the color come out. Watch what I do. I'm going to add just a couple of drips of water to the inside. Perfect. Now, I'm going to squeeze it into my cup. There we go. Now, as you see the drips going into the cup, just watch. Those water molecules are moving. Can you see them? Are you looking closely? What's happening to the color? It's the water moving around in the cup. How is it moving? Now make sure while you're performing this experiment, you don't move your cup. You want to wait and see what happens. Watch for a while and then just leave it. And come back in a little bit and look and see what happens. When you're all done, I want you to draw a picture on a plain piece of paper of what you saw happening with the water molecules. How were they moving in the cup? Did you see that bouncing energy? Can't wait to see what you find